Okay, hi guys. Welcome to an unintentional unboxing. I've already opened up the box because I was a little prematurely excited about doing opening up this box. So the other week, last week I think, I had bought my sister a birthday present online, and I didn't expect it to arrive in a 3-pound box. Dropped off on my doorstep at almost 7 o'clock at night. But let's take a look. This is only a small portion of it. I'm sure you can guess what it is based off of the bag. Not the bag, but the bag, the thing. But let's get into it. So Chelsea, if you're watching this is your birthday present, but you already knew that because I bought it when you were sitting next to me. So let's get into this. Ouch, that hurt. I just pinched myself. I'm not gonna open, like fully open the things that she got because that would be rude, but it's a Stitch pop figure. Lilo and Stitch is one of her favorite movies, and Stitch is one of her favorite characters. So there's that. And then this is the thing. I haven't wanted to buy one of these. Just kidding. I wanted to buy one of these since I saw it. It's a Shooky pillow. It is gigantic. This is huge. Like, I'm not sure if you can tell how big this is. You guys know what a pop figure box size is. Shooky's gigantic. He's very huge. Absolutely love him. And he comes with a giant bag. A very, very giant bag. Really giant. This is a huge bag. Like, this bag is bigger than this box. Well, like, size-wise. Like, you know what I mean. And it's signed Suga. Suga. Just kidding. I think that's a Shooky. Possibly. I think it's a Shooky. I don't know. I think it's a Shooky. I'm not entirely certain. But I'm fairly certain it's a Shooky on it. Yummy Head Shooky. Magic cookie with special powers. Scared of milk. Me too. Just kidding. I'm not scared of milk. I get sick from milk. So, you're safe with me, Shooky. And then, this was actually the real thing that I intended on, well, so it wasn't the real thing that I intended on buying for her. There is a part 2 of her present. I pre-ordered her the Jungkook pop figure, but since that's not going to get here until May, and her birthday was at the end of February, I bought her this. It's a cookie pillow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why is he so soft? Okay, so Shooky has like this, like his legs and his arms and all of that are like the super soft, like velvety, but this isn't a velvet, like velvety soft. But oh my gosh, like Cookie is velvety and super soft. I thought about buying a third pillow and getting RJ for my niece, but I'm not buying a almost $50 pillow for a 2-year-old. So sorry, Eleonora. And then Cookie's bag. Okay, so it does say, that does say Shooky, because this says Cookie. So this does say Shooky. I wasn't sure because the S kind of goes through the I a little bit. So Shooky. Which is weird because it's Suga's S for his name and then the rest is in Korean. So I was a little confused by it because this was all in Korean. So S Uki. But yeah, so that was kind of my little impromptu unboxing. I wasn't planning on getting this at 7 o'clock at night because my tracker for UPS was not working at all on this order from Hot Topic. So the fact that I had no idea when this was actually coming kind of shocked me. It would have left me shook. Just kidding. God, I can't believe I made that joke. I am a child, a legitimate child. So Amanda, if you're watching this, I am an unofficial army, as you like to say. Inside joke, I have never once said that I was an army BTS fan, but I absolutely love BTS, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be spending. This was over $100 for this order, by the way, guys. Over $100. But I wouldn't be spending that kind of money if I didn't like them. And obviously, I have my preferences. I love Suga very, very much. Very much. So anyways, Amanda, this is for you. I'm an unofficial army. And so that is all that I have for you guys. It was very unintentional and I kind of needed this. I did record a podcast earlier that probably will never see the light of day as I started crying recording it. So there's that. And that is all that I've got for you guys this time. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing video, and bye-bye.